Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I got so many questions on how I did the slick back. I posted a reel right here. Yeah, so in that reel my hair was slicked back and everybody was like DMing me like, hey girl, what do you use to get your hair slicked back like that? So I'm here to show you guys exactly how I slick my locks, okay? It's so easy and you don't need a retwist, you don't need none of that. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the fam so you get notified anytime I post a video. If I sound like I'm whispering, it's because I have two dogs back there and they're sleeping. Well, they're puppies and they're sleeping, so I kind of don't want to wake them up. So for reference, I have 69 locks. I need a retwist. First thing I'm gonna do is grab some water. Spraying your hair with water actually makes your hair very easy to manage. I've been a bit tender-headed since I started my locks, so I feel like when I wet them, I'm able to really manipulate my hair a lot easier than when it's dry. When it's dry and I try to slick my hair in a ponytail, my hair hurts so bad, like seriously. So I'm just gonna wet my edges and don't mind my hairy pits, yeah. Okay, so this is the part where you would just spray your part a little bit. And I also take some of my aloe vera gel. I'll leave the kind that I use in the description box because I know it's backwards. This is how much I'm gonna take. That much. Can y'all see? Hold on. We're taking about that much of the aloe vera gel. And I'm just going to go like this. Literally, just like this. And I'm going to take the comb and make sure my part is nice and straight. And if you want, you could even do a side part or whatever, but I love middle parts, so that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to take my bristle brush, and I feel like this is like a medium coarse brush, and just really slick down my hair. And I will be using a headband to secure my hair just because I find it to be a lot easier to have a bigger scrunchie than a smaller one. And you just work in that aloe vera gel as much as possible. Shoot, grab you some more, girl. But be mindful that it has to dry in time. So you don't want to overdo it. So there we have it. And then I just gather this hair and I take my smaller, soft bristle brush just to get the edges nice and sleek down. So I'm just gonna slick that until it's smooth enough to my liking. You want to make sure the locks are also laying flat. You don't want them to be too bulky or laying on top of one another, creating bulges and stuff. So this is the headband that I'm using. Make sure everything is nice and flat. And then pin the shorter hairs if you have any. And now we're going to work with the edges. Take whatever edge control you all like. I am using Style Factor's Edge Booster. Could I just not say that? I'm gonna need this right here. This is gonna be hard. I need it up this way. With slick down ponytails, I like to go a little bit dramatic with my edges. And I do not like doing this style too often. I am not a fan of slicking my locks down all the time, or even pulling my hair into ponytails. There are too many styles with my locks, just because I want to keep my hair at a proper thickness. I don't want my hair to start getting thin anywhere. I don't recommend doing this style too often, y'all. Ooh, my edges look so good. And I get so many questions on how I do my edges. I could do an in-depth tutorial on a few ways to do your edges. And then I make sure to grab out my curlies. Perfect. So I let the curls down. Now I just take my scarf and, oh, the puppies are up. And I just tie it. I tie it as tight as possible just so it can lay very flat. And I'll probably sit with this on for like 25 minutes. And then I'll come back. Oh, there comes the puppies. Let me show y'all the puppies. Come here, Cuckoo. Come here. Come here, baby. Hey, Mama. Hey, Papa. Hey. Say hi. Ooh. Hold on. This is the baby. Hey, the baby. Sign out. His name is Mellow. These are the puppies that I'm watching. This is Katana. Oh, okay. All right, twinsies. They be peeing, they be pooping at the same time. We are not peeing. Nope. Hold on. Y'all, look at that. What are y'all doing? Hey, poo-poo. Hey, poo-poo. Hey, poo-poo. Y'all, they are so freaking cute. What's up, Papa? Look at how cute you guys are. They just pee all over my floors, y'all. You licking my pants. So I'm gonna just let my hair set. Are you pooping? Oh no, you're not. Oh God, y'all, I got so scared. They been pooping, peeing all over the place, y'all. Y'all see them napkins? Yup, that's where they just peed. So I'm back. I just took the puppies for a little walk. Well, not even a walk. They were just playing in a little puppy play park. They back with their daddy, and we finna take this scarf off because it's been on here for a little minute. Ooh, yes, look at that sleek pony. So this is how the ponytail looks with my curls out, and then that's how it looks in the back. And I think it would be so cute, like if you add beads or something to the end, like, oh my gosh, a look for sure. That sun was beaming in my eyes, but I want to thank you all so much for watching, for tuning in. Make sure to share this with anybody who wants to know how to do a slick back with locks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps with the algorithm, helps me get seen across, you know, YouTube. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful. If you try this style out, you better tag me. And if you stick around for the end of this video, make sure to comment a unicorn.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.